Hey everyone, I hope you've been doing well. As you know, Valentine's Day is quickly approaching and I've got this really cute lip stamping mani to share with you. To see how I achieve this look, keep on watching. For the base color of this nail art, I'll be going in with Pretty Beautiful Unlimited, 3 French Hens, which is a gorgeous light pink Crelly, and I'll be doing this in 2 thin coats. This is absolutely perfect for Valentine's nail art. And as always, I'll be going in with 1 thin coat of Glisten and Glow's top coat, which will help to speed up the drying process before I do any nail art. To help assist with cleanup and to help make cleanup around my cuticles easier, I'll be going in with this latex barrier that I found on Harlow & Co.'s website, which is by Girly Bits Cosmetics, called Border Patrol. The image that I'll be using for my stamping mani is actually going to be coming off of this plate, which is by You Are Beautiful number 14. I actually got this in a group buy that I'm in on Facebook, which is called The Stamping Shop. You guys should go look for it on Facebook and join in as well. To pick up and stamp the image, I'll be using my favorite stamper, which is Clear Jelly Stamper Big Bling. Honestly, I do have other stampers because different plates require you to use different stampers, but this one is hands down my absolute favorite. And I'll be going with Mundo de Una's red stamping polish for the image that I'll be using as well. And now that I've got my cuticles all cleaned up, I'll be going in with one last coat of Glisten and Glow's top coat, which will help to give this mani a high gloss and shine. And that's it. This one was very quick and easy and to the point, and I love how the red looks over my light pink Crelly base. I do hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial as much as I did filming it. As always, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, as well as give this video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, do leave them in the comment section down below. As always, see you next time.